Alrighty, JK Outdoors fam, welcome back to the channel. We're here for another fishing adventure. I am ill prepared, but gotta go out while you can. Don't have anything to hook up the GoPro to. I don't have my sunglasses, but going to the South Fork of the Snake River today. See if we can catch a trout. New spot, never been before. But 62 degrees outside, mid-March. So what more can you ask for? Let's catch you on the next when we're at the river. Alright, so we're still driving, but just want to do a quick little plug. JK Outdoor merch. Wasn't quite warm enough for the fishing shirt, but grab your merch in the link in the description and yeah, support the channel. Appreciate everyone that's supported and grab some merch and adding little things here and there. Grab yourself a new sticker on there and yeah, let's go get fishing. Alrighty fam, we made it to the trail. Walking down the river now. Currently set up for just a hook and a weight bouncing off the bottom. Moose tracks all over on top of the mud. I'm hopeful not to run into a big old moose. I've had a few encounters lately. The moose says I'm not friendly. So, to trail in here. Like I said, I forgot my space of the mount, was looking for it all day, and then didn't bring anything instead of the one I had, so check in and get some fishing going. What did I say? There it is, the tracks. I was fishing this little area, and he just stepped out. It's a little juvenile moosey. Wish I brought my long lens. I didn't. Just brought this 50 to take some pictures of the fish. Pretty cool, little guy. Alrighty, spot number 2. Saw that moose, and that spot wasn't the best, so I'm just gonna set the GoPro up and hopefully get some footage. Alright, round 2. I'm gonna set you right over here. See if we can catch a fish. I actually saw one jump at this spot out there. Right into the sun. Alrighty, back to this spot. We're gonna got some, look at this, see that, the worm, some weights. Try to bounce it off the bottom. See if we can get in front of a trout's mouth. Fish on. Fish on, first cast with the worm. Can you see? I hope you can see me, GoPro. It's a good sized fish. Oh, Manny. Come on, fishy. See the weights. Nice little brown trouty. Oh man, first fish of 2024 right there, folks. Nice brown trout. Yeehaw! Looks like we found a good spot. All right, fished for a while. It's getting dark. Might go a little longer. Tried to get them with the worm, but there's a few rising. Let's see. There's a few rising right in this little area. Basically, that first one, you kind of see where I set up my spot right on this little point. But you got the main current. There's like a little eddy right here, skipping right over the main current, right where the deeper channel goes. There's another little outlet coming right from this little. So I caught that one trout just right here, and then the other one seemed to be sitting right out here in this flatter spot, but it's shallow, so I'm having a hard time getting my worm in front of them. So just so you kind of see where I'm sitting, and you know, you can get out yourself and find a spot like this, catch a fish. It's only out here for an hour maybe. Got here at 6:30. It is 7:30, so 1 hour, one fish, not too bad. Might try one more thing and then see if we might just get out of here. I'll catch you in a second. Okay, I think that's gonna be a wrap for the night. Quick little hour, 15-minute fishing trip, and nice little walk back to the truck. The last little thing I tried was some orange power bait, drifting it down. I don't know if I was getting hits or not, but I was throwing it through this certain drift and it kept getting sucked under, popped out. So I don't know if it was just getting stuck on weeds or whatnot, but good little trip to get out, get some fresh air, saw a moose, caught a fish, and it was a good day. So subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. I think we'll be doing a giveaway soon. A little hint. Maybe a sweatshirt, shirt, some stickers, all the swag you could ever want from JK Outdoors. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Booyah.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something, don't take for granted.